What does International Women's Day mean to me? I believe celebration of such dedicated days are meant to remind us of some values, events, or relationships. Similarly, International Women's Day reminds me of my mom's contribution to build my inner strength. It reminds me of support from my wife by teaching me the values of patience and perseverance. It reminds me of innocent learnings from my daughter to keep the childlike curiosity alive in us. It reminds me of life lessons that I've learned from my sister. It reminds me of women friends who set high standards of commitment and dedication. It reminds me of women colleagues at office who help me to learn, unlearn, and relearn. It reminds me of the fact that while I can continue aiming for a big change which will bring utmost respect and reputation for the skills and competencies that women around us command, I should also continue investing small acts of encouragement, motivation for them to assume the positions which they rightfully deserve. If they are already motivated, then not coming in their way through the ladder of success. If they are already successful, then not trying to pull them down. If I have a little more knowledge, then impart these learnings and knowledge to them without bias to add to their journey of self-development. And last but not the least, at no point of time to do anything that harms their self-respect or dignity.
Women's Day would mean a lot to me, especially because I grew up in a household with women being denied of opportunities, women denied of their privileges, women denied of their rights. I grew up in the streets with women abuse, alcohol abuse, domestic violence. All these were a part and parcel of the childhood that I grew up, and I don't want a world where such things still exist. And all the more reason Women's Day every year is important, because we need to bring a change. And Women's Day is not just one day, it's 365 days a year. And we can only do this change with you and me coming together. Happy Women's Day.
Great and appreciate inspiring stories. All women need and want is a level playing field, no stereotyping, and a world which is free of harassment. All of us have to play a role in the process.
She'll put a smile upon your face and take you to a higher place. So don't you underestimate the strength of a woman. Well, this is one of my favorite songs by Shaggy, and I played every International Women's Day. It's called Strength of a Woman. A very happy Women's Day to everyone. Well, we live in the 21st century, and there is a woman every day who is shining in the spotlight, who's supporting, who's inspiring, who's motivating, and who's empowering millions and millions other girls out there to achieve and do great in life, right? And most importantly, in this process, they break the very taboo that the males are a stronger gender, right? Which is definitely not true. My inspiration has always been my mother. So 3 words on International Women's Day that reminds me of a woman is respect, love, and high emotional intelligence. Thank you to all the wonderful women at Posh at Work who's doing an amazing job to make every woman's life better every day. Thank you.
First, it means a lot to me. I'm a woman, it's my lived reality. It's also a day where I just stop for a moment and give power and loudly address the past, the current, and the ongoing, and for a long time it will be ongoing, the struggle for the emancipation of women, and also reflect on the fact that the need for intersectional feminism and address the equality, substantive equality that is required for all genders, and that gender is fluid. While we are doing this constantly on an everyday basis, it's just a moment where you stop, where you claim all the work that you've done through the year, pat yourself on the back and say, I've done good, and I'll continue doing it, and I'll continue making change, and I'll continue moving minds.
Today, we celebrate how far women have come and continue to fight for justice, equal rights, and social and economy development. International Women's Day is time to reflect upon our achievements and role models. The women who inspires me the most is someone who is very near and dear to me, my very own grandma.
I would emphasize in a country like India, they do one of the most important work, and even managing the house as a housewife is extremely very tough. And I would say 50% of a man's salary should actually be paid to the woman at home also as a housewife.
Whenever this day comes and there's so much of buzz around, it has always triggered me to honestly take a pause and look around and really admire women and men who are like this driving force in the ecosystem that they are operating, who are challenging norms and really moving us all forward towards a gender neutral world that we all aspire for.
In fact, Women's Day is a special day for all the men in the world as well. After all, we all owe our existence to a special one in our life. I salute all the women for their loving and caring attitude, being sensitive to people's need. Last but not the least, for supporting us and standing behind us all the time. Believe me, all of you are under strong, and this inner strength of yours gives you the attitude of smile karo or shuru ho jao. I wish to thank the team of Posh at Work for maintaining the dignity of the woman at workplace. All of you are doing an amazing job.
International Women's Day means to me a day to celebrate every woman, the challenges we have faced all these years and the way we've overcome them. And definitely it's a reminder for every one of us to know how beautiful and strong we are and what all we can conquer.
International Women's Day I believe, is a mindful way to expand awareness on how far we as humans have progressed towards providing trust, respect, and equality to one significant half of the species. It's also a day to reflect on all the mothers who have chosen their children and family over themselves and their careers. A day to acknowledge outstanding women who have struggled to build their own identity in a world where men get more opportunities easily, and to celebrate the very few who've made it to the top as entrepreneurs, successful CEOs, and board members. Finally, it's also a day to acknowledge how little we have progressed and how far we have yet to go.
For me, it stands for the solidarity that women show and should be showing more towards each other. Well, if we start supporting she for she, a lot of problems will go away.
First of all, congratulations to all the women out there on the occasion of International Women's Day. For me, International Women's Day is to celebrate all those women who have selflessly been working behind the camera to create the movie called Beautiful Life.
There are women with flourishing careers who manage their families with utmost care and responsibility. I believe for women like us, Women's Day is not just today, but it's every day.
We live under the burden of centuries of oppression, discrimination, stereotyping of women. Thanks to the hundreds and thousands of women whose courage has helped the society be a bit more equal than it was before, the International Women's Day is in solidarity with all of these wonderful women. However, there is still a long way to go, and I hope the world will be a kinder place for my two young daughters when they grow up. It will be a far more equal place, and there will be no discrimination. The International Women's Day is a reminder to me to be a better man, a better partner, a better co-worker, and overall an empathetic human being. Thank you.
Well, there are two very, very distinct thoughts, and they are on opposing ends of the same spectrum. So, firstly, I think it's brilliant that we celebrate women and their strength and what they stand for, and what they are capable of. On this day, I'm very happy about that. At the same time, it makes me extremely worried and sad that there needs to be a day which is designated to recognizing this. There needs to be a specific day that is designated to recognizing women's strengths and their achievements and who they are and what they stand for and what they bring to our lives. Should not that be every hour of every day?